Thank you for buying this 20 by 12 by 4 corrugated box from Fixture Displays. This is your regular slotted container, and it is made from a single wall corrugated board, and flute type is B flute. It ships in a bundle like this. There will be some taping when we ship them, because the carrier generally don't like the stripes on the bundle. This is the full overlap that closes and opens on the end. The full overlap definitely have superior strength and is of very good quality. The Mullen or burst test is 150 pounds. If you desire this to be branded of your own, you can order so, but it would take a little more time. As of now, it is branded our brand, Fixture Displays. If you have any questions, feel free to email us, cs.charliesam@fixturedisplays.com. This is 20 by 12 by 4 inches. I encourage you to browse fixturedisplays.com for other products and services we have to offer. We have many stock box sizes we also custom make. There's very little minimum, so feel free to inquire with us. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do like us, subscribe, remember, leave a good seller feedback, and a favorable product review. Again, for shopping Fixture Displays.